In this video, I'm going to showcase a groundbreaking language model called MiniGPT-4 that can interact with real-life images. This is the GitHub link from where you can access the research papers, the code, the demo. You can also try it in the form of demo on GitHub, and then we will be seeing the video later on in this video too. As you can see right here, the model was fed with an image of a plant, and it was asked that what is the issue with my plant, what should I do now? The image shows a leaf with brown spots on it, and what the problem is, how to solve the problem, instructions. So the next image right here, describe the image. The image shows a cactus plant standing in the middle of a frozen lake. The cactus is surrounded. Can this happen in real world? As the cactus is not supposed to be in a ice land, so it cannot be. In this next example, this is the image that was fed to the model, and we designed new mugs shown in the image. Can you help us write an advertisement? So the model was asked to write an advertisement on the basis of the image that was provided to it. Sure, here is an advertisement for the mugs. Introducing our new line of mugs featuring adorable cat designs. So as you can see by these examples, you can expect something really amazing to be happening. And you can also try the demo by clicking on the demo on the GitHub link that I showed you just now. The link to that GitHub page is in the description down below. Let's see further what all examples are available. So it was provided with a photo of a dish. How should I make something like this? And it started giving the whole recipe of the dish. As you can see, there are some amazing things. So this is the photo that was provided. Write brief HTML JS to turn this mockup into a colorful website. And this model wrote a whole code to convert this into a total website. And all these examples look pretty amazing, and something amazing can be expected out of this model. Now coming back to the GitHub page, if you want to try the demo on your own, just click on demo, and there is a complete interface that you can use right here. So just click on drop image here, and once you click on this, you can start typing in right here and ask this model questions based upon your image. As you can see, I uploaded this image and I typed in right here, who is this? And as you can see, the queues are very long. Even this took a lot of time. It took around 10 minutes for me to upload this image and the system to recognize the image. And after that, I typed in right here, who is this? Now again, I think it's going to take about 7 minutes, so I'll be back in that time. As you can see, this still is under process and the answer has not been generated. The biggest problem on GitHub with these open source models is that it takes a long time, and there are a lot of people flocking on to try these new updates in the AI space. So the best option is, if you want and if you are really curious, you can duplicate this space. You can duplicate and use it with a paid private GPU. So if this is something you are interested in, you can always click on duplicate this space and use it for yourself. Here are a few more examples. So this is the image that was provided. Give me a short story about this image. And the model wrote a short story about this image. The painting depicts a peaceful countryside scene with a windmill standing tall in the center of the image. And there are a couple of more examples. Few of these examples were showcased in the video. And this is the example of how this model is used. So this is the code. Coming back to the GitHub demo, as you can see, I uploaded an image of Leonardo DiCaprio and I asked, who is this? And as you can see, after about 15 minutes of waiting in queues and all, it has given its answer, Leonardo DiCaprio. Just the fact that it recognized the face is really amazing. Now the next question that I asked it is, what does he do? And now as you can see, we are in a queue of about 83 people and it's going to take 585.7 seconds, but it's going to take way longer than this. I think it's going to take about 10 or 15 minutes in total. I am really excited as to what is going to come up next, because this is the AI revolution and the AI revolution is already here. New models like the large language models that are open source are being released every 2 days or even every day. If you don't know what an open source language model is, open source language model is something that everyone can use, for example on GitHub or any other private website. Not only can you use it free, but you can also use the code of the open source model to develop some apps or websites of your own in which you can use that same technology to develop something totally of your own. So this was it for the video. If you liked the video and find the video informative, then subscribe to the channel because it helps the algorithm, and I'll be back with some more AI related content.